Are sneezes embarrassing? I've never held in a sneeze unless I'm like in a quiet room. Not like a classroom, like a show. Like if you're at like a play and there's like a silence and you sneeze. I would say out of 100 sneezes, I hold in 2. You bring attention to yourself. Yeah, but most people are like, bless you. I've never been embarrassed from a sneeze. I'll hold in a fart, but I remember I would be in class, I'd rip a silent one. You lean forward, just go... Rip that. I would be farting in class, dude. No problem. Just rip it out loud. That takes guts.